Hi Highland, it's Taylor and Addie. Today we are going to show you how to write dialogue for Story Jumper. So the first rule for dialogue is to make a new paragraph and indentation for each new speaker. For example, Mia said, quotation marks, excuse me, period, quotation marks. Then you click your enter key. To your left, by your cue, click the tab button. For another example, Sophia said, quotation marks, I like dogs, period, quotation marks. The second rule for writing dialogue is to always capitalize the first letter in a sentence when a person speaks. So, for example, Sophia said, quotation marks, do you like dogs? So, as you can see, the D in do is capitalized because it's the first letter of what Sophia said. The third rule is place in punctuation inside the quotation marks. For example, Mia said, quotation marks, I like ice cream. So, as you can see, I'm going to put the period inside the quotation marks right there. So you can see that the period is right inside the quotation marks. Another rule is when you put the tag on in the middle of one sentence, you have to have commas. For example, Sophia said, quotation marks, Mia, comma, she shouted, comma, Mia, explanation, mark, quotations. So as you can see, there is a comma right there and a comma right there. So you have to put the tag on in the middle and then you have to put commas on the other side. Okay, so, well, that's all for you today. We hope you learned a little bit more about dialogue. Bye, Highland!